Hey, Joel here with Atomic Cleaning, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the seamless cleaning system that gives office managers, facility managers, and business owners peace of mind without the headaches of missed tasks, poor communication, or unreliable cleaners. And I'm going to actually walk you through our atomic cleaning process from front to back. And my goal is to show you how our meticulous cleaning process delivers a premium, high quality, top to bottom clean, leaving your space spotless, healthier, and more inviting after every visit. I'm also going to show you how our concierge cleaning team creates consistent, reliable results guaranteed while maintaining the highest standards possible. And I'm going to walk you through a proven, transparent system using real time tracking, detailed cleaning logs, and open communication that ensures you're always in the loop and you're never left guessing. Now, real quick, just a little bit about me. I am the founder and CEO of Atomic Cleaning. We deliver premium white glove commercial cleaning services with a focus on accountability and transparency. I'm also a serial entrepreneur, having built a few businesses in the past. And through that process, I actually became a quote unquote expert in operational efficiency because I had to build streamlined, complex systems to ensure consistent, high quality results for clients. I also became obsessed with client experience. I was partnered with several clients and spent a lot of time improving the overall experience our clients received. And I saw a huge problem in the commercial cleaning industry. There was a lack of high standards, cleaners cutting corners, poor communication, which caused businesses, office managers, facility managers, really just to feel out of the loop, and cleaners either just not showing up or lacking consistency overall. And it's because of this I wanted to redefine the cleaning industry. I noticed no one was providing a premium luxury style cleaning service that blends old school work ethic with modern systems, technology, processes, and tools that produced results and encouraged accountability. And it's because of our unique approach that businesses come to us and stay with us and want to work with us time and time again. It's because we guarantee consistency. There's no missed spots and no decline in quality. We are fast and proactive at communication. You're never going to have to chase us down. We have a fully vetted and trained professional team who focuses on security and quality every single time. We also select eco friendly green cleaning products for a healthy and safe workspace. We provide real time monitoring and quality control so that you know what's happening at every step of the process. And finally, we provide transparent, fair pricing. There's no hidden fees, no gimmicks. What you see is what you get. And so we have the privilege of serving clients in and around the Austin area. We have many five-star reviews on our Google Business Profile page. You can check out our website for reviews. We were actually able to help Trevor here with his massage therapy facility. These are typically very hard to clean because of the oil buildup, and we were able to take great care of him. Same thing here with Joe at Jump Street. He actually brought us on because he needed a professional, thorough, detailed clean. And our team went above and beyond just to ensure that his facility was taken care of, that he was taken care of. And through this whole process, we made sure to maintain a seamless communication experience for him. And so the process here that I'm about to share with you has come from speaking with a ton of business owners, office managers, general managers, facility managers, and they all shared roughly the same three problems with us. The first problem was the poor quality problem. And this causes dust, dirt, and grime to pile up, leaving your business or your workspace looking unprofessional and your team just feeling uncomfortable. The second problem was the inconsistency problem. And this is due to untrained cleaners cutting corners, making it impossible to maintain a clean, welcoming environment. And then finally, the unreliable service problem. And this results in missed cleans, poor communication, and constantly having to chase down your cleaning company when something goes wrong. So, what we've done is created a process that eliminates all three of those problems. The first thing that we do is solve the quality problem by bringing on great people. While most companies out there focus on hiring cleaners who can push a mop, we attract great people. We have an extensive 5-step hiring and screening process that allows us to only attract and select top tier talent. We actually don't bring on about 90% of the applicants that come through our system. So it allows us to focus on that top 10%, those rock stars who are able to do a good job every single time. We then perform comprehensive background, work ethic, and reference checks. Once they've joined our team, they then must go through or complete a detailed internal training program to become what we call a certified cleaning concierge. They are not able to clean for our clients without this certification. And this ensures consistency, high standards, and quality every single time. And on top of all of that, we perform ongoing quality control inspections, trainings, and offer performance based incentives to keep our team consistently performing to the highest quality. They're not incentivized to show up and push them up, they are incentivized to provide high quality cleaning to you every single time. The next thing that we do to solve the quality problem is we select the best cleaning products. We hand select eco friendly and non toxic cleaning products that are safer and healthier for your employees and your workspace overall. This includes LEED and Green Seal certified products that are safe for the environment. We also go one step further by having an entire cleaning system, like using color-coded microfiber cloths or HEPA filter vacuums that improve air quality and reduce contaminations in your facility. So it's the combination of all of the things that create a premium cleaning system. The combination of hiring and training top talent and selecting only the best cleaning solutions allows us to deliver high quality cleaning for your facility every single time. Next, we solve the inconsistency problem using our 134-point precision cleaning checklist that ensures we leave your facility spotless every single time. This is a customized checklist for your facility. There is no two checklists that are the same. You have unique needs. Your facility has unique needs. So we customize our checklists based on what you're looking for to make sure that you have the best experience possible. We follow these checklists every single time we enter your facility and we clean so that you know we're never going to cut corners or miss a key area. Our cleaning concierge team uses the checklist, they check it off, and our team leads actually go back and check that off and sign off as well. So we have a double verification process that creates transparency and accountability through the whole process. We also assign a dedicated cleaning concierge specifically to your facility, whether it's a single cleaner or a team. And this allows us to track when they clock in. We have systems that allow us to do this when they clock out so that you can have peace of mind knowing that you're not getting a new cleaner every time who doesn't know your facility. We make sure that the same cleaner is at your facility every single time. We also are proactive at communication with you and keeping you in the loop in case something changes. It's all done directly through our service app, so you'll never miss an email due to spam. The next way that we address the consistency problem most cleaning companies have is through our white glove inspection system. We provide regular QA, after action reports, which are available to you anytime, all within our system. We also hold ourselves accountable to all of the standards that we have. We have high standards and we hold our team, everyone on our team, to this high standard. And we share the results with you every single time. We deliver customized reports and notifications within our system so that you are always in the loop and you have the data and the information that you need. We are 100% transparent and want you to not have to worry or stress about managing a cleaning company. And because of our entire atomic cleaning process and system, our 134-point checklist, our dedicated cleaners, our seamless communication, our regular reporting, and our white glove inspection system, we are able to deliver a consistent, high quality cleaning service, which ends up saving you time, saves you money, and ultimately it saves you all the headaches. And the last major problem that we focused on solving was the unreliable service problem. We did this by creating a proven and transparent communication process that ensures you're never in the dark. We assign a dedicated client concierge who is actually different than a cleaning concierge. So you have two individuals or a team of individuals working with you who are available to answer any questions and also help resolve any issues that might come up. We respond quickly, many times within the hour, to make sure that you're taken care of. We also developed client feedback loops through scannable QR codes that we can place throughout your facility and transparent inspection reports to maintain high quality cleaning and client service standards. We give you the opportunity to let us know how we can improve so you experience the best service possible. And through our entire process, we are able to deliver an amazing cleaning experience that is night and day different than anyone else, and one that our clients love because they have peace of mind knowing that they don't have to worry about the cleaning anymore. And as an extra perk for our clients, we do regular performance reviews just to make sure that we stay ahead of any issues, fix bottlenecks, figure out what's working well so we can double down on that, and give feedback to improve your overall experience. We are not afraid of constructive feedback because we know the better we become, the better your experience will be. Now, I always want to make sure that we provide the best experience for our clients as possible and ultimately take on as much of the risk as we can. So, we actually take on all the risk here and we want to prove to you that we can actually focus on quality cleaning and provide the service that we say we can do. So we are so confident that we can provide a premium level cleaning experience that if you don't love our service after the first month, you don't pay. Our clients choose us and continue to work with us because we go above and beyond to make sure that they feel like partnering with us was the best decision that they ever made. And ultimately, we want you to feel that way too. So if this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, the next step here is for us to just learn more about your cleaning needs, what success looks like for you, get a better understanding of your facility, whether that's through an estimate call or a walkthrough. And then from there, we will gather that information. And based on what you're looking for, we'll send you a custom proposal that includes everything that you're going to need to help maintain a clean facility. And from there, we'll schedule your welcome call to gather all the necessary information, and then we can hit the ground running with your first cleaning to ensure that you enjoy a cleaner, fresher workspace. So I just want to take a moment and thank you for watching this video, getting a better understanding of our atomic cleaning process. I appreciate you booking a call or a walkthrough with us. And if you have any questions, I would love to go over those with you when we meet. I look forward to meeting with you. Again, my name is Joel with Atomic Cleaning, and I can't wait to meet you and learn more about your cleaning needs. All right, take care.